Hi everyone, today we're going to do something simple and fun. We're going to make cherry jam. One of my favorite things about cooking is when I get to be creative, and I like to do the things that sometimes we normally buy in the store, like make sauces or make condiments or make things like jelly and jam. It's just fun to do it at home. You know exactly what ingredients are going into it. Nothing is processed, and it's just so fresh and lovely. And you know what? Some of those things get really expensive in the store, and I'm going to show you how to make it in a really inexpensive and just simple, fun way. Come on, let me show you how I'm going to do it. Here are the ingredients. We have a 12-ounce bag of cherries, which were frozen, which I have thawed out. We have about 7 ounces of sugar, that's a little less than a cup, and we have the juice of 1 lemon, and at the very end we're going to put in a couple of teaspoons of St-Germain. Alright, these are the cherries. They're black cherries. I cut them in half so that they're not all just large. And the first thing we're going to do is put these in a pot with a little bit of water, and we're going to boil them for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, and now it's time to add the other ingredients. We're going to add our sugar. Now I know that looks like a lot of sugar, but it's probably half the amount you would get in a store-bought brand. So we have 12 ounces of cherries, and that's about 7 ounces of sugar. Now if you bought a store-bought jam, you'd probably get 12 ounces of sugar. We also need it to balance out the tartness of the lemon juice, and the sugar is what's going to add the thickness to it. So give this a good stir, and now we're going to lower the heat and let this boil for about 20 minutes, stirring it frequently. And 20 minutes later, I've removed it from the heat, and I'm going to stir in that little bit of St-Germain liqueur. St-Germain has an elderflower flavor. It's very beautiful. Well, now we're just going to allow this to cool. You can do this with any fruit. It doesn't have to be cherries. You can use strawberries, you could use blueberries, whatever is your favorite. You can chop them up, slice them up. If you want it smoother, you could blend it a little bit. You just need something to store it in. As you can see, I've transferred this to a mason jar. We're just going to allow it to cool, and this will get thicker as it's in the refrigerator, and then you can use it however you would use your jam or jelly. This will keep in the refrigerator for up to a week. I told you that was easy, and it comes out so delicious. I love having the cherry jam in the morning on a little piece of toast with my coffee, and it's just a beautiful, delicious way to start the day. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!